Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be looking at the 1X PCI Express USB 3.0 expansion card. This has two USB 3.0 expansion ports on it. It plugs directly into a 1X PCI Express slot. So I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. We're going to test out the performance of this. Without further ado, let's go check this bad boy out.
I really don't want you guys to dismiss this product. It really kicks a major butt. I have it connected to the Cyber Trayless mobile rack. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you with hard drive tech. I have it connected to, this is a 32 gig card. It's actually from my Nikon camera that recorded this video. And I'm just going to do a quick test on it. I have Crystal Disk here too. So we're going to do the same test once this is completed on hard drive tech. We'll test it here as well. So we're getting 90 megs a second, and then it drops down a little bit. This is an impressive card. It's an incredible. Well, that's all I have to say. It freaking rocks. It's something that you need to have if you're a techie and you need performance. You need to be able to upgrade all your doodads inside your machine. This is the way to go. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.